So what you may want to do is limit or define how much of the content is shown on your web page that you host with the help of wordpress.com. So if you want to change around that settings, you can go around onto the settings section right here, and then you can go around onto, let's say, writing section right here. So once you go ahead and do that, over here on the right hand side, you can see that under the content types, you can see that the blog post per page right here is set to 10 per page, but you can limit it out to 5, let's say, for example, or set it out even to 20 per page as well. If you have testimonials that you have, then you can also go around and enable it out and then limit the amount of testimonials that you see right here. And you can also go around and do the same for your portfolio projects. And let's say, for example, you want to show 4 portfolio projects, then you can go ahead and then simply turn it out as well. So you even have access to the testimonials. So if I were to go around and open this up in a new window, then you have an option to go ahead and see how you can add testimonials and portfolio to your page as well. But basically, this is how you limit or define how much content you want to see in this particular website area right here, just like this. And that is how you can work around with the content type setting inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.